Yeah, we've got a new location going in at 25 Mile Road and Shelby. So it's exciting to get in that community. We've got family and friends that live over there, and it'll be good to have a trusted home improvement company that people can reach out to that live in the community.
I grew up in the area, so being out there in the Shelby, Rochester area to me is, it's a nice feel. There's a lot of storm damages that are out there, a lot of people that have older roofs, and they're not familiar with what these processes are. So I feel with us being out there, we're going to be able to benefit the community as well as continue to grow our business.
Well, for me, being relatively new to the company, it's really exciting to see the unity and to see the communication.
This is what our leadership meeting is about, and just what our town hall meetings are about, is bringing those ideas together so everyone's talking about them. It's about everyone coming together.
We're going to have a grand opening celebration, so we look forward to seeing everybody there.